Make sure your van has the rails installed ahead of time. Slide 7 rail nuts into the passenger side factory roof rail and 9 into the driver side rail. Note that 2 nuts have been pre-installed for ladder hatch. First, install driver front rail A. Align the rail nuts with the base hole of the A plate. Use 4 of the provided 5/16 button head screws and 5/16 nylock nuts to attach the driver and passenger side coupler plates. If you then want to install a ladder, do not install a ladder hatch in this step. Use 5/16 button head screws, 5/16 spring lock washers, and 5/16 flat washers. T-nuts to convenience for the future. Put the crossbars where you want them. Use the 1/4 button head screws 19 mm, 1/4 spring lock washers and 1/4 flat washers to hold them in place, but don't tighten them too much. Use 1/4 button head screws 12 mm, 1/4 spring lock washers, and 1/4 flat washers for the connection to the T-nut. Don't tighten it up yet. Make sure you can adjust it from side to side. To connect the center fairing bracket to the fairing, use 5/16 button head screw, 5/16 flat washer, and 5/16 nylock nut. After this step, you can tighten all the previous screws and you're done. Please go back and check if the screws are installed properly and see if there is any looseness.